Everybody has their own ways of doing this, but just to demonstrate how I lay snakes into the Lidl glider fuzz. This is just a spare tail section from a flame wing. So put the metal straight edge between the hole in the servo arm and the hole in the horn to try and keep it as straight as possible. 1mm soldering iron tip, and then I just draw this along the straight edge, and the snake, a bit of U-Haul pour, and then the snake just clips in like that and it's flush. That's how I do it. Everybody has their own way, but that's how I do it. Cheers.